Remove seeds of 3 bitter gourd. I have peeled these 3 bitter gourd. Remove the seeds of 3 bitter gourd. Remove the seeds of 3 bitter gourd. Remove the seeds of 3 bitter gourd. Now we'll cut the bitter gourd into small pieces. Cut it into small pieces because we will fry these bitter gourd pieces. Cut the bitter gourd into small pieces. First remove the seeds, then cut the bitter gourd into small pieces. You can keep the bitter gourd pieces. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Rub 1 teaspoon salt on the bitter gourds to remove the bitterness from the bitter gourd. Apply salt and rub on the bitter gourd very well. After we will rest the bitter gourd for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes we will wash the bitter gourd. After 15 minutes wash the bitter gourd in the water to remove the salt and bitterness. Wash it very well. Rub the bitter gourd in the water very well. Now we will squeeze out water from the bitter gourd to remove the bitterness and salt, excess salt from the bitter gourd. Squeeze out the water from the bitter gourd. There is no water in the plate. Later I will show you how much water I squeezed out from the bitter gourd. Squeeze out the water from the bitter gourd. Squeeze out water from all the bitter gourds. Now from bitter gourds are ready to fry. This is, see the water in the plate, how much water I squeeze out from the bitter gourd. Oil is hot. Fry golden brown bitter gourds. Oil should be hot. Fry bitter gourds golden brown. Stir occasionally. Add all the bitter gourds in the wok. Deep fry bitter gourds. Fry bitter gourds golden brown. Stir occasionally. See slowly and gradually color is changing. It will take 15 to 20 minutes frying bitter gourd golden brown. It will take 15 to 20 minutes for frying bitter gourd golden brown. Bitter gourd are changing color slowly and gradually. Fry bitter gourd golden brown. Take out fried bitter gourds golden brown. Exactly we want color like this. Remove the bitter gourd from the wok. Fried bitter gourd golden brown. Remove extra oil from the wok. Only keep 2 tablespoons oil in the wok. Remove extra oil. In 2 tablespoon oil we will fry the spices. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon mango powder. Fry coriander and mango powder. Now we will add water. Add 400 ml water. Boil the water. Add it 400 ml water. Now boil the curry. Let the water boil. Boil it on the high flame. Boil water on the high flame. When it will boil, then we will add the bitter gourds into it. Now add water is boiling. Now add fried golden brown bitter gourds. Mix it very well. We will cook the bitter gourd in the curry until the bitter gourd becomes soft in texture and eating. Now boil the bitter gourd in the curry until they become soft. Cover and cook on the low gas 5 minutes. Add salt to taste or half teaspoon salt. Adding half teaspoon salt. Cover and cook on the low gas 5 minutes. Mix the salt in the bitter gourd. Cover and cook on the low gas 5 minutes. In between we added salt and we will add red pepper. Half teaspoon add red pepper. See, the color will be more bright and beautiful after adding red pepper. Cover and mix it. Cover and cook on the low gas 5 minutes. Then it will be ready to serve. Enjoy with the rice. This curry and bitter gourd with rice looks yummy. Thank you. We serve this in the bowl now. It's ready to serve. See the beautiful color. It leaves the oil on the edges. It means it's ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Press bell icon button. Thank you for watching.